Hey guys, what's up? It's Vicky. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm a clothing reseller on Poshmark and eBay, and I make videos about my journey as a reseller. So in today's video, I wanted to do a quick little tutorial showing you how to look up sold comps. This is going to be for people who are just starting out reselling. If you didn't know, there's a lot of people who are just getting into reselling, and I think it'd be extremely helpful for them to see how you look up sold comps. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pick one item from my Poshmark closet, and we're going to look that item up on Poshmark and eBay. And you can do this for any item that you pick up. I would suggest looking up comps when you're in the store, just to prevent wasting money. I, in the past, have, spent $10 on an item that never sold, and I ended up selling it for what I paid for it. So I actually lost a little bit of money doing that. So over time, I've learned what will sell and what won't. But when you're new, I really think it's important to research comps just to make sure that you are, making the most money that you can. So let's look at this Sandy Liang for Target. This is just an animal print Sherpa hoodie. I've actually already sold one of these. We are going to go through and reprice it again. So this one is an extra small, new with tag. I'm going to go up here on Poshmark. We'll go to the search bar and we're going to type in Sandy Liang. All right, so what I'm going to do is go right here and I'm going to click on that just to take me to the actual page for Sandy Liang. And I hope I'm saying that right. It might be completely wrong. So right here you can see that there's one similar to the one that I have. So I'm going to actually look up hoodies. So we're going to go to tops. And then we're going to go to sweatshirts and hoodies. I'm pretty sure that's what that would be considered as a hoodie. And then we're going to go down to size. And the one that I have is an extra small. So I like to look up the size. And some people will look up just in, but I prefer to look up low to high. So here we have one similar to mine, and this one's boutique, so it's probably new with tag. They're selling theirs for $25, and then you have mine for $29. Of course, you have one for $30, and then you have some that are even more expensive. But these are just what people are asking. This doesn't mean that people are going to pay this amount. To kind of figure out what items will actually sell for, you want to look at the sold listings. So what you'll do on Poshmark is you'll come down here to where it says availability, and you're going to go to sold items. So from here you can see there's only 4 items listed and a size extra small, and the one similar to mine sold for $58. So that's really good. But this is Poshmark, and if you know anything about Poshmark, people can bundle items and buy items a lot cheaper in a bundle, but the price is always going to show the original price. Even if they technically didn't pay $58 for it, they could have paid $10, but it's still going to show $58 if it was added to a bundle. So it makes it really difficult to determine sold comps on Poshmark. So now that we see that the one similar to mine sold for $58, I'm going to actually remove the size and just look at all of them like mine and see about what they're selling for, because I've had mine for a while. It's been sitting. So yeah, we will look. So yeah, what we'll do is we will go to just in and look for my sweater. So right here we have one that sold for $50. It was an extra large. We have another one that sold for $39. $58, $39, $50, $60. This is how you look up sold comps on Poshmark. Hopefully this is helpful to you, but we're going to look at eBay now. So once we're on the eBay platform, we're going to go up here to where it says search for anything, and I'm going to type in Sandy Liang, and I'm going to also type Target. And I guess we'll do hoodie. And we will search for that. All right. So as you can see, we have it right here. Now we're going to go to where it says sold items right here. So go here. And this is going to show you the Sandy Liang Target hoodie that sold within the last 90 days. But as you can see, only 3 things right here sold. So I'm going to have to add some different keywords. So I think I'm going to go and we're going to type in Sherpay. So I do see one right here that sold for $50 on March 28th. And you can also look up different keywords to find this. So this is how I look up sold comps on Poshmark and eBay. Hopefully that is helpful to you. If it was, let me know in the comments below. Have a great day.